Today I'm going to make this crystal bracelet. The method is simple, but it takes a lot of time. The back is also very beautiful. The crystal bead is 4 millimeters. The bead is 2 millimeters and 1.5 millimeters. Add 8 2 millimeters beads in the thread. At the end, rewind and knot. After passing through a few beads, add 6 2 millimeters beads. Pass through the 2 beads on the back of the bead with a straight line. After passing through 4 beads, add 6 2 millimeters beads. Repeat the operation. I'm going to make a 5-row wide bracelet, so I made 5 small rings. Now start horizontal development. After arriving at this position, add 6 2 millimeters beads to make a small ring. After passing through 2 beads, the following 4 rows can only add 4 beads to make a small ring. Because if you use 2 beads on the top and 2 beads on the side, add 4 beads to make 8 beads. I love the way you watch my videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Use the same method to make the desired length. It should be cool to make a bracelet. At this position, add a 1.5 mm bead, a 4 mm crystal bead, and a 1.5 mm bead. Pass through the 2 beads on the opposite side. In this way, add a crystal bead to all the rings. Add a 1.5 mm bead to the 2 mm beads around. There are many ways to connect and buckle. You don't have to follow my method. My thread is not long enough, so I will connect the thread first. This time the fish line is more suitable. You can also use the previous nylon thread. The way to connect the thread is the same as the way to tie it at the end. Why don't you connect it directly with the opening ring? Because the opening ring is easy to fall when connected directly to the thread. If you open the ring, you can use glue to block the seal. It is also 5 1.5mm beads. Repeat it again, or it won't be strong. Then thread back to the other side and use the same method to make the connection. If you use nylon thread here and this place is white, so it won't look very beautiful. Tie some knots to make it secure. Both sides are magnetized. This is not difficult, but it takes a lot of time. You can make it as wide as you want. Thank you.
Bye.